This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing your device. Confirm Android or iOS and check Chrome's version so you know what's supported. Once done, enable any experimental flags only if instructed, because they unlock extension support. Make sure you have a file manager or an alternative browser for sideloading files, and sign into your Google account if syncing is needed. Now open Chrome, tap the menu and note available options, because the next steps put files and permissions into place before you add the extension. You now obtain the extension package, download the CRX or zip from a trusted source and verify its contents. Once the file is on your device, use your file manager to extract it and locate the manifest, JSON and assets, because Chrome needs the folder structure intact. Next, open Chrome's extensions area. On Android, this may require a companion browser or developer mode, and load the unpacked extension folder. This step installs the extensions files, so Chrome recognizes and prepares to run its code. You finish by enabling the extension and granting only the permissions it truly needs. Review prompts carefully so you avoid overpermission. Once enabled, open a relevant website and test the extension's key features. Reload the page to apply scripts and check behavior. If something fails, inspect the console for errors, confirm permissions were accepted, and re-extract or reinstall the folder if files seem corrupted. One troubleshooting tip: make sure manifest JSON matches Chrome's expected version format. Mismatches commonly block loading.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.